Welcome back, guys. Another rider on the coast, eh? That's it. Oh, right there would be nice photos. I don't want to try it because it's too much. What a fucking nice day. Woo! There's my shadow. Fuck off. Henley Sailing Club. Not bad. Hey, doggy! I want to get a Ford. Oh shit, I bet you should say Camaro or Charger. That's tough. Oh shit, there's a little ride going on. I'm gonna pull back after, pull over, have a little suss at the bikes. Oh shit, he's scuba diving. Fenders. But oh shit, that's one of those bikes, they're tough. Ooh. Oh shit, that's cool. I'm not filtering because, yeah, fuck that.
I don't think I've met another one on the road yet.
Of this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's good because it's unique.
Yeah. I like to be different.
Exactly, yeah.
So everyone looks like this. Today I was in the hills and I parked it next to like hundreds of bikies.
Yeah.
Felt like I was going to get shot from Sons of
Yeah.
Anarchy. They were just like, yeah, nice.
Yeah.
How you doing? Yeah, good ride.
And
Yeah.
most of the bike people are normally friendly.
Yeah. I just like the looks they give you. They try to give you that
Yeah,
scary look.
the
It's like, that's
imitating
not
look.
working, man.
Yeah. I was like, oh, this is nice weather, so come out, get some footage for my YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the mic?
Yeah, that's the mic in there. I think it's recording at the moment, to be honest. Yeah, it is.
It's even recording. Fantastic. The mic's
Yeah, I got the mic. Yeah, so I wired the mic through there. That's the connector cable for that.
Yeah.
And it's just tucked inside the jig pad. And the mic sticks out a little bit so you can hear me through it. It's got the wind muff on it, so it doesn't really catch much wind.
So what's the YouTube channel for?
I just do vlogging on the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, car meets, bike meets, whatever. Upload it. But yeah.
Good amount of followers?
Oh, I've only got 40 at the moment, but I only started like
40?
Yeah.
Better than me.
Yeah.
That's 35 more than me.
Yeah.
I don't have a channel. I don't have the time.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like.
Well, I see like a lot of American people like in America, and they're like pretty big on YouTube, and they host like car meets, bike meets, stuff like that. So I was thinking, maybe get myself onto that.
There's a guy in America. He likes to fuck around, and when he sees a dirty car, he likes to like put smiley faces on it, other stuff. And anytime he sees the bikies, he just blows them a kiss.
Yeah.
And wants to see their reaction. So some of them are like, yeah. But some of them just stare at him like, okay, no friends for me.
Yeah, exactly.
On weekends when I want, I'll just go for a ride.
Yeah. Clutch start. Clutch start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I'd be happy with it, yeah.
He's all good.
Yeah. That's actually not too bad.
For a standard bike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
So as a first bike, perfect.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Exactly. So what do you guys got on today? Just go for a little ride?
Yeah.
Sorry, good question. Now, how much did you pay for that?
30k.
30k?
Yeah.
Brand new?
Brand spanking new.
Yeah.
No, it's a demo, but it's got like 100k on it. So
Oh, it's got like nothing, yeah.
absolutely nothing, and it's not. I mean, actually, it wasn't 30k, but
Wow.
it's 26. But with all the jib jobs and technical upgrades and stuff, you'll end up at like 30k.
Yep. Well, that's really nice.
But then again, sometimes in life you gotta treat yourself.
Exactly, 100% you do. 100%. I'll get it on my YouTube. Fucking and a whole massive fucking computer screen. I don't know if I got it in the footage, but it was there. Like, that shit was just fucking everything in it. Oh, I could have gone. Fucking bitched it. What a day, what a day. What a kill. What a kill. What the hell? Whoa! You're right, bro. This guy just like caused an accident. Fuck. I got that on footage? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, my hair is too annoying now. See if I can get it. I'm just in, I think it's second gear. About 55, 60.